In this video, I am going to show you how to create color in a black and white photo by Snapseed Photo Editor. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. Sometimes you may think how to create color in a black and white photo. Here I am going to show you this. Let's start the video. Before we move on to our topic, I want to remind you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well to get the notifications of our next videos. Open your desired image in Snapseed. To make the image black and white, tap in the tool section and select black and white. Here are some ready presets from Snapseed. You can choose between them. It's better to tap one by one and see which is relevant to your picture. For now, I will take neutral. Here in the neutral menu, I want a little bit adjustment. When done, tap the check mark. Now tap the edit stack, then tap view edits. Here you can see all the tools we have used in this photo. Tap black and white, select the brush tool, zoom into the subject which you want to color. Tap invert and start brushing over that object. While brushing, it will change into its real color. Carefully brush over the edges. Invert the image again to see if there is any part missing. When you find it, brush over it again. After finishing the brush tool, invert the image and see the color of the object. It looks really nice. Tap the check button to see the difference between before edit and after edit of this image. When you are satisfied with your edit, tap the check mark to save your edit. Tap the back arrow to go back from edit stack. tap the done button to save your image. That was our today's video. Hope you enjoyed this and learned something from it. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.